The Permanent Secretary, contractor for the Nabouwalu town, Mr. Tayyab Khan. We also have representatives from Fiji Roads Authority, the consultants, members of the media, Abula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. In fact, today marks another milestone towards seeing Fiji's first new town being developed. This is the first town which has been designed to be developed, unlike other towns and cities. Other towns and cities has been developed without design. So it's Fiji's history. This is the first time when we're doing a town with proper planning. And it has taken us some time, but there is so many reasons for the delay itself. This thing has come in Parliament a few times, but in particular opposition criticizing us. But the fact of the matter is that we don't want to do any shortcut business. As a government, what we need to do is to do a proper planning. There was another reason for the delay was we had to tender twice for this project because there was some variation. So it goes through tender board. Not only the ministry who basically takes control of it. The procedure is followed in a very transparent manner. And this town, for the first time, is also designed to accommodate the disabled. There has been also a lot of talks about disabled, and it has been included in the design as well. The total funding that government has given for this development is around $7.1 million. And today we're going to sign the contract between the ministry and the contractor. And we are hopeful that within few weeks' time, the Honorable Prime Minister will do the groundbreaking for the new Nabouwalu town. But in the meantime, the contractor will take control of the area in terms of clearing the area. And once that is done, then we will have a groundbreaking ceremony. As I said earlier on, that the contract has been given to Tayyab Hussain of Hussein's Hire and Plant, who will take the next task, where all these designs and the formation and the build-up will take place. And this is not only for the people of Bua, but it is for the Northern Division. As you all know that government has focused for the development, in fact the capital development for the Northern Division, and this will add to the development that has been carried out in Northern Division. And I'm happy that my ministry has taken this on board, and I want to thank all of my staff who were part of this planning. And at this juncture, I would also like to thank the landowners for allowing us to carry out this project. In fact, this is the first time where we have this partnership between the landowners and the government. We have paid them premium, but at the same time we will also give them some commercial lots for their benefit, for the landowning. This is the first time that has happened. We also have area which is allocated for the market, new market, and bus station for Nabouwalu. So I wish the contractor all the best for this development, and I also ask the project management team and all of us who are involved in this project to extend full support as its completion and the final outcome will only materialize to one that we desire, example, a well-designed, prepared and built Nabouwalu town.